In this video, I'll guide you through how to open your Gmail inbox. This is perfect if you're new to Gmail, using a new device, or just need a quick refresher on how to get to your emails quickly and reliably. Let's start from the very beginning by opening Gmail. On a computer, go to your web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and in the address bar at the top, type gmail.com, then press Enter. If you're on a phone or tablet and you have the Gmail app installed, simply tap the Gmail icon to launch it. Both the website and the app will take you to the same place, Google's sign-in page, or directly to your inbox if you're already signed in. Next, you'll log into your account. On the Gmail website, you'll see a field asking for your email address. Type in your full Gmail address, then click Next. On the next screen, enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, then click Next again or Sign In. If you've turned on extra security, such as two-step verification, just follow the prompts, like entering a code sent to your phone or confirming a notification. On the Gmail app, the process is very similar. If no account is signed in yet, you'll see an option to add an account. Tap that, select Google if you're given choices, and then enter your email address and password when prompted. Again, complete any extra verification steps if they appear. Once you're signed in on the app, it usually remembers your account, so you won't have to log in every time unless you sign out or change your password. After you've successfully logged in, Gmail will automatically try to show your inbox. On the website, you'll usually land right on the primary inbox where most of your important emails appear. However, if you don't see your usual list of messages, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. There's a menu with options like Inbox, Starred, Sent, and more. Find the word Inbox in that list and click it. The inbox label might be bolded if you have unread messages, and you'll see a number next to it showing how many emails are new. On the Gmail app, you'll normally be taken straight to your inbox as soon as you open it. If you're not seeing your messages, check the top of the screen to see which mailbox you're currently viewing. If it doesn't say inbox, tap the three horizontal lines, usually in the top left corner, to open the side menu. From there, tap inbox to switch back to your main list of emails. Once you're in your inbox, your newest emails appear at the top, with older messages below. You can click or tap any email to open and read it, then use the back arrow to return to the inbox view. To make things easier in the future, you might want to bookmark Gmail in your browser or keep the Gmail app on your home screen so you can get to your inbox with just one click or tap. That's all you need to do. Open Gmail, log into your account, and then select Inbox if it's not already open. With these simple steps, you'll be able to access your Gmail inbox anytime you need to check your email.